Hi guys, welcome again to Cryptocurrency KE. As always, I'm Bitcoin guy who is called Cryptocurrency KE. So basically, today we are not going to talk. I told you earlier when I was alive, you're like on TikTok live back then, and I told you how will Bitcoin go down, as you can see on my dashboard. Na nikamwambia how Bitcoin on this is called future derivatives, and nikamwambia when Bitcoin will cross this gap, it will drop. That's what I told you guys. I had put this live video. I think it was on Friday, and told you, not on Friday, like on Wednesday. And I told you guys last week on Wednesday, nikamwambia check on Bitcoin because Bitcoin will go, itaanguka kabisa ka shit. Now on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it went down all to 30 something. So it is not that haikuwa inastahili kwenda, it was going down. That I assure and I knew it would go down. But don't mind about it going down. This is called Bitcoin CME futures. In this future, it's where you know where will Bitcoin go. Right now, as how it went down, you can see this is our in my technical analysis platform on my dashboard. You can see that it crossed this gap. Was it did its magic, as we know. This is called future derivative, and a lot of people were liquidated, but they did not know, and they did not know that you should not long Bitcoin for long because we have to have a gap. So that's the reason people did not understand about cryptocurrency. People will tell you invest in events, but they don't know how to tell you to invest and which is the best entry. So right now, as you can see, this is my dashboard. We have another gap that was created when Bitcoin fell from 53 to allowed 48 until 46. So this gap was a downward trend, meaning Bitcoin need to fill this gap so that we can see it moving to another all-time higher as for or 69 or 70,000 US dollars. This is our time frame, and this is what you need to understand, guys. It's not that mimi namwambia vitu zingi haziko. This is just technical analysis, and this technical, I remember drawing this line telling you Bitcoin will move up or it will go down. After hitting this supporting line, it will go up. But to corner, it went and it hit to the second. You see, this was my first supporting line, and this was the second supporting line, and this was the first supporting line. So it fell and it broke even this resistance. So at this juncture, we are knowing and you are seeing how Bitcoin is rising. Was the 6th Jana, and it is going rising. Also tomorrow tutakuwa tunaona Bitcoin hitting 55 to 60 hyper high. It hit hadi so that it can move. It need to fill this gap that I'm showing you. This is the gap. It need to fill this gap so that it can move so high. So, but after hitting this line of resistance, Bitcoin will move forever. So that is just technical analysis that you need to understand. On my technical analysis, you need to understand about this, which is called indicators and strategies, which my favorite that I use Boyange bands. I use the moving average exponential. I use the on balance volume. I use the super trend. When I do also, I use the relative strength index. This is what I use, the indicators and support and strategies that I use when to draw this technical analysis part of it. So we are not going to look on how the market is tending to move, but we are going to look on the information that we are having in the market. So what we have, we need to come to CoinDesk so that we can see what information is there for us today as date 7, so that you can see information ni gani inatuletea, which variable information that you need to learn so that you can know when to invest and when to buy. This is what we are having in CoinDesk, as you can see, my CoinDesk, and where I get all the information that I am having. And you can see Bitcoin is right now, it's hitting at 51,000 US dollars. Ethereum is hitting at allowed 4,300. Solana, it's also high. XRP is on another. Terra, which is called Luna, it's on another high. You can Cardano, people are saying about it because of their contract. Polkadot is down, and right now you need to buy it, man. You need to buy it. Stellar has been there almost more time. So what is where you get information and where we get all the technical indicators suggest low probability of Santa Larry. That's what we are saying. And we are hoping the most influential developers who wrote Bitcoin's top taproot upgrade. You can learn the most influential Rumgraza, the most influential Sam Branca. You can read all this. This is where we get information. And if you don't have this, this is CoinDesk. CoinDesk is best form of it. And also, if you want to do other research, we go to Tele. We go to CoinTele. So this is where also we can get other information. So hopefully, I'm saying, guys, when it comes to Russia largest bank struggles to register its digital asset platform, we are knowing that how Bitcoin is moving and how Bitcoin is struggling to its own. It's because a lot of people want to invest in Bitcoin, but because Bitcoin, the bank were fighting with the Bitcoin. Right now, bank have integrated Bitcoin into their portfolio. And when we go fighting and we fight how these big, you can see the government struggles to register. These are information that you need to have them. This is the information that you need to have them. And this is where you need to get good information. Which one at the third largest Bitcoin whales holding total 6 billion after whipping 2.7 Bitcoin buying down. Imagine there was a whale yesterday who bought Bitcoin, a third biggest Bitcoin whales holding total 6 billion US dollars, whooping 2.7 K Bitcoins, buying in low, man. This is what we do. You buy when it's low, and buying when it's low, it's the best time of it because ikikuja lies. You see, someone buys the dip to the tone of 130 million. After buying frequencies, Bitcoin hit 69 all-time highs all last time. The wallet holder upheld the ante overnight with a single purchase of 272,700 Bitcoin, taking the total to 180,000 Bitcoin on that one wallet. So meaning the second highest Bitcoin count was during July 2021 low when it was K. Imagine this wallet holds a lot. If you can go and we see how much is this wallet, you can see. Imagine una mtu ana hold a lot of money from just buying Bitcoin. This is the balance of this. He bought when it was 7, and he bought another one when it was July. He bought another one. And also he bought another one at 99. He bought another one here. He bought another one. This is how he bought. And you can see the profit and how he has accumulated their profit on this balance sheet of theirs. You can see this is a wallet that they are showing the block that they bought and the Bitcoins that he bought. And you can see here, he bought this Bitcoin and he has accumulated a profit of 4,600 when Bitcoin was 50 some. Right now they have bought when it is deep. And this just mere information that you need to have, Manzi. This is just information that you need to have, because if you don't have this information, Manzi, you don't know how to invest, because investment is big thing. As we can see on my dashboard, Manzi, let me just go and tell you which coin you need to have in right now. There are coins on Coinbase venture portfolio. So that I want to tell you coins zenye unastahili to have in your portfolio. One, a coin that it's always you need to have is Dodo. Dodo is a coin that you need to have because Dodo is the best coins that you need to have. And we can see Dodo has been in the decentralized exchange. In Dodo, it's undervalued. And this Coinbase Ventures portfolio, Nina Kupe portfolio, Coinbase man say. Which Coinbase wanna invest coins gani? Which coin that Coinbase wanna invest now wameka pesa zao? You can see linear protocol, Polymatic, Podo, Ledia. These are coins that are the best for when it comes to Tether, which is called Luna. This is a platform that you need to have and you need to invest coins that are emerging and going. Look at Matic. A Matic coin itaenda hard even ifike $10 this next year, January on February, itakuwa imefika $10. I'm sure I am bullish on that because of how the NFTs are ETFs that they have opened on there, and it will be the next jam when it comes to big moving cryptos. So when I am telling you the coins that you need to have, it's because Polymatic, if you can go inside on this Polymatic, and we come on the information part of this. Let me just show you what we have when it comes to the news. I want to just show you. I wanted to show you the news of Matic so that I can show you the news of the market and how crypto, or how this Matic is mooning. I wanted to show you that news so that you can see how Matic will be, because they have launched on their experience analysis of BTC, Solana, and Luna. So this is just basically information of how the market is moving. Though you need to have this investment on now. You need to have through Mina, Cover. This is just fair the information that you need to have. Information that you need to have so that at least you invest your cash. You can see the market has grown from 2.3 opening of 2.5 billion. You can see Bitcoin is also hitting inaenda hit $52,000. Ethereum is another gem which is called ultrasound, and we know why it's called ultrasound. And I always tell you, Ethereum is a big jam, man. Ethereum is a big jam, a jam that you need to have in your mind, man. Not that you don't need to have this jam, you need to have it, man. This is what you need to have. It's Ethereum. Ethereum is for future people. If you don't have Ethereum in your portfolio, man, you are not in a market of cryptocurrency. Solana has been in a good trade because of their NFTs and how their ecosystem is robust when it comes to the NFTs and the gas free and the scalability of their portfolio. So that's just one. Cardano has been not moving very well, but right now we are seeing Cardano moving to $5 come next year, February, or yes, February, Cardano will be hitting $5 or $4 there. But the most coins that you need to have in your portfolio is Polkadot. Is a coin which is mooning and is a good coin. A Dogecoin, Dogecoin, it will moon now 2022, but it hit dollar, moving from 18 to dollar. It's allowed a profit of allowed $18, $0.18. That's allowed Kenya shilling 0.18 Kenya shilling 8 above, like 8 above. So it's a good investment, but it's not now. But what I can tell you, buy Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, it's a meme tokens, but it's a stable tokens because we know it has opened their ecosystem, not ecosystem, but hawajatengeneza their ecosystem, but they have something called the decentralized exchange on their platform, which is called Shiba Swap. And also they have the Elisha coin, which is costing allowed 1,000 right now. And also they have a bond. When you hold Shiba, you get liquidated on. So Matic, you can see it's gaining momentum in 24 hours, has gained 28%. Oh, Kuko, this is CRO. CRO, it's a coin which has good fundamental. Now he coin right now, you need to have it. The partnership that they have done with the arena of Las Vegas and the ETFs that they are coming, and I wish you can see their news here so that I won't show you. A crypto exchange will be announced listing of CRO perpetual swaps. You see. So, and also they see crypto.com on a price tier as Cardano, Tron, Proma on these lists. You see, we heard that Cardano and Tron will be no longer be available on Tron US customer next year when CRO reflects going from the strength to the strength. So imagine, we have heard that Cardano will not be listed, will be delisted from the eToro. eToro is an exchange in US which is popular, but it's not so popular but imekuwa kwa industry for long. That's the point. So, but Cardano has been delisted, and we don't know why. The reason that Cardano has been listed, but delisted, we know that XRP was delisted because of the lawsuit. And why it was delisted is because they had done something called ICPOs and RDOs on back then. But what they argued is, if you do ICPOs, it means that your company has no money, but you want to get more funds from the initial coin offering from the private sectors. They come buying cryptos. So what happens with XRP? They struggled and said that if they didn't have the ICO from the US exchange, but it happened when it was in China, when XRP was being launched back then when it was in China. They said they will list their ICOs back when it was in China. So the money that they got, it's not the money for the investors in the US. So what the ICCs happens in US, they regulate those coins that they have done something called ICOs, because ICOs means that company or developers that are helping and coming up with the coin, they don't have money. That's the point. So what if you go to invest on a coin that have done their OPOs, meaning if those investors come and they remove all their money, coin itaanguka and they will not facilitate money for the very investors, the small investors. So I know ICOs, crypto analysis up to warning traders. So exchange 12 days, we can see what happened with the information that I'm telling you about the CRO. So CRO, you can see the news. So Popular Crypto Exchange Hobby has announced its listing to new cryptocurrency swaps pairs of crypto.ca and the former Phantom. According to announcement, both will be using USDT as a margin currency. So swap is worth. So this is good information for those people called the people who does something called the future derivatives. And the future is very informative, manze. It can bring for you money, and also it can loan your money. So that's best for what do we call it? That's best for for CRO, and you can see Cross is said to be the first Cosmos EVM chain built of DF, non-fragile tokens, and the metaphor. The native token of Cosmos block is CRO. So meaning, imagine a lot of companies are coming to chain up with the CRO, meaning that coin will be having good fundamentals. So mimi nikitaka kumwambia buy C also, and you can see a lot of money. CRO, it will be a coin which is having good fundamentals. Come back to 2022. So we go back to CRO. Nimewambia that's a coin which you need to have in your wallet, and you need to have it, man. You need to have it. So going back, and we see how Bitcoin is moving, and you can see how the graph is. Bitcoin is just hitting 1 trillion right now. It's 977,000. But I want to show you that Ethereum is the baddest thing here, and we say it's called ultrasound money. It's called ultrasound money, and ultrasound money is Ethereum. What is Ethereum called ultrasound money? That is, let me show you. Let me call Ethereum ultrasound. Yeah. So I want to just show you that Ethereum is a big jump. Kuna big jump that you need to invest a lot that will be coming to next year. Zitakuwa zina moon kasi. So kuna coins mingi that you need to have. So right now you can see, imagine, just imagine, look at here. So ultrasound working, it's track Ethereum becomes ultrasound. Ultrasound is that money. You can see, imagine supply growth. Right now, it has on one day it has been imekuwa positive, but tukiangalia hapa in that days, even in an year, let me show you in 5 minutes, it's gaining high. But if you can see here, Ethereum transfers in the gas B, the band that the Ethereum that they do, like OpenSea, you can see, you know where OpenSea is. It's for NFTs, Horror Society VP. This is a decentralized exchange and swap, social swap. You can see Polymatic that I was telling you. You see exchange, one chain ecosystem. There is Polymatic bridge that is doing all these. Are the gas that are banned under Ethereum, meaning Ethereum bans in 1 minute. You see, this is 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes, it bans 24 Ethereum. So when I can take my calculator, 24 Ethereums are banned for every 5 minutes. You multiply with Ethereum gas time, which is called 4,200. So imagine for every 1 minute, they are banning 106,000 US dollars. When you can multiply with the 118, which is the gas, the Kenyan rate, it's 12 million per minute. Imagine right now, you can see here. If you change for a day, for hour, a day they ban 9,255. Meaning, if I do my own calculation one day, 9,248. You multiply with the current price of Ethereum, which is 450. How much are they ban? This is US dollars, 41,153. That's the US dollars. When you multiply with the Kenyan shillings, which is 120 manze, the US dollar 100 or 112, it's 4 billion manze zinabaniwa kwa Ethereum. Meaning Ethereum itakuwa more costly comes to next year. Next year, but one, Ethereum will be the mother of all coins. Only that it cannot beat Bitcoin. But I know a surety that I give you is Bitcoin will beat, Ethereum will beat one day Bitcoin. One day it will beat, and it will be the one being used by a lot of people. So we can see on the dashboard right now as Bitcoin is rising on the perpetual part of it, which is future. We can see how it's morning. So on the Coinbase that I have told you, these are coins that you need to have. The coins that I tell people to have is a coin which is less than $1, or a coin which is more than $10, and it has good fundamentals. If I can show you here the market capitalization of these coins, imagine a coin which is like Zero, which has its own blockchain, and you can see the market capitalization that it has 1.3 billion. Imagine how much will it be when it hits like 23 billion US dollars? That skyrocketing of the price will be very high. So these are just coins that are mere less than $1, less than imagine kama hii manze iko less than ata billion, ata haijafika ata million kama hii. Na unaona market capitalization ina hit the same as cover, which has the same market capitalization of 1.6 billion. So imagine these are coins that you need to have, manze. Like imagine these are coins that they are fighting the same. Labi, which is called Lali, which are fighting the same with the market capitalization of Matic, which has 17 billion. Unaona hiyo growth. Imagine if you bought a Matic last year, with 1 year, it has gained 13,555 just 1 year. Another coin which has gained momentum is this Luna, which has gained 10,950 something. Another one which is gaining momentum, you can see coins may grow more than 10,000 come 1 year. Hata ungebuy moja tu, just one coin. One coin ya $1 ungekuwa na hizi money. That's true. That's true. So this is there is a lot of coins and the 2021 top gainers, and we need to show you the top gainers of 2021. Galala, which has hoped of 46,697 a year. Imagine in that sector of it's on the sector of Galala, it's on that area. It's on that Web3, and Chase coin, which is called Chase, it has gained with 40 guy, these coins are, imagine if you bought just one coin with all this, just one coin. You bought this Solana in last year, you bought Luna, you bought Matic, you bought Omi, you bought Sandbox, you bought Axie Infinity, you bought Aduma, you bought the Alpha, you bought shares, you bought Galala. Just one. And you could not use a lot of money. Imagine Galala is under 0 point something dollars. You can see Chase is just $2 and it was less than $1. You can see Alpha is less than $1. All these coins are less than $1. Axinifit is the one which has moved a lot, which is one because of the metaphor ecosystem and the gaming ecosystem. The third is because of the gaming ecosystem. Omi is because of NFTs, and this coin is just, damn, I have it, man, and I know it will take me into months. Matic, I have it. Luna, I have it. Solana, I bought it a long time ago. For Matic, which is FTM, I have it. Cadena, I have it. Right now, it's the best buying time, and the buying time. This is smart contract. I always tell you about Cadena, and I told you how the executability, how the TPS is 485,000 TPS, which is called a transaction per second. Telecoin, which is very smart. VRA, which is advanced because of the gaming, the metaverse. Mabao token, which is because of the gaming part of it. Lali governance token, which is these coins are hilarious, man. A coin that has gained a lot of recognition is because of their metaphor. So we don't know where will happen come to 2021. Will it be metaphor, or will it be in the gaming sector? Will it be in the insurance? Will it be in the real estate? Or what will it be? Do your own research, because when you do your own research, you always get good information out of it. Because if you don't do your own research, you end up losing a lot of money. So thank you guys, and I hope you see you in the next video.